course of power transfer control drives. In the last previous sections, we discussed about the PWM inverter importance and also what is the generalized equation of motor in three-phase induction motor and the rotor current equation of three-phase induction motor. And also we discuss about if the frequency is below rated, that means the range of k is between 0 to 1. If the frequency is above rated, that means above base frequency, base speed, that is k is greater than 1. So for example, in this case, in this class we discuss about the or derive the various torque and rotor current characteristics. If the speed is in between 0 to 1, what is the rotor current, what is the torque of the motor, what is the maximum torque, what is the speed at which maximum torque occurs. So now going to this, this is the generalized equation of torque without any applying any technique. This is the three-phase induction motor torque equation. This is the three-phase induction motor rotor current, which is already known in the previous class. So now, what the meaning of 0 to 1 in the k is nothing but it is operated in the below rated, that is the below base speed. The drive which is operated in the induction motor drive operated in the below base speed. With the help of the PWM inverter, we can control the with the help of the PWM inverter, we are operating the drive below rated frequency. We are operating the drive below rated frequency. That is the meaning of this one. Whenever the drive is operated at the below rated frequency, then the speed also in the below rated speed. The meaning, and also here the V is equal to E is equal to K into E rated, because of while neglecting the drop across the stator, and also drive is operated in the under below rated speed, what is the V is equal to E, and the E becomes K into E rated value. Similarly, the frequency F is equal to K into F rated. If the rated value is 50 Hz, 58 into K value should be 0.8, let us say 0.8 into 50. Similarly, E rated is let us say 400 into 0.8, same value of K, because of to maintain the V wave constants. So this is the two conditions, V is equal to E and F is equal to K. Substitute these conditions in this equation. Here the voltage is as a function of K into E rated, and also reactance as a function of frequency. Therefore, whenever the reactance term is there, replace X with some K into X. Replace X with F into or K into F. Is it okay, all of you? So this is about the frequency is equal to K into F rated and V is equal to E into K. Substitute these equations in this. First substitute in these equations in this rotor current, and after that substitute in the torque equation. So here one thing I have to clear that so we know that this is the rotor current IR dash. Now V is replaced with K into E rated and R2 dash by S whole square plus X2 dash is replaced with K into X2 dash whole square in the square rooted per below rated frequency. This is the IR dash, and let us simplify that one. Then divided by K, then E rated by ER VR same, capital VR capital E same here because of under neglecting the drop of stator, then V becomes equal to E, and E rated by R2 dash by SK whole square plus X2 dash whole square, because of dividing by K by K cancel, K by K cancel, therefore R2 dash by SK here. This is the IR dash, that is the rotor current referred to stator, then E rated by R2 dash by S whole square plus X2 dash. This equation is helpful for while doing the problems. Similarly, they say IR dash is substituted in the torque equation. We know that the generalized torque equation is T is equal to 3 by omega ms, 3 by omega s into IR dash whole square into R2 dash by S. Substitute IR dash whole square, IR dash value, this IR dash value in this equation, ఈ వాల్యూని ఇక్కడ substitute చేస్తాం. Then the equation becomes, whenever we substitute this one, then torque equation is equal to 3 by, because of omega is replaced with k omega s because of as a function of k, the synchronous speed. Therefore k into omega s into IR dash is E rated by R2 dash by sk whole square plus x2 dash whole square. Because of IR dash whole square and root cancel, therefore 1 R2 dash by whole square plus x2 dash whole square, and E is replaced with E square because of you are multiplying 2 times IR dash and IR dash, therefore E square rated into, what are the multiplication, that R2 dash by S, R2 dash by S. So this is the final torque equation of a 3-phase induction motor. T is equal to 3 by k into omega s, E square into rated by R2 dash by S whole square plus sk whole square plus x2 dash whole square into R2 dash by S. That means from the previous discussion we can conclude that the torque as a function of S, the torque as a function of rated voltage, but here the torque as a function of some sk term, that is the slip speed. So as a function of slip speed. And also here if you want to derive the maximum torque equation, then to make a derivative of this torque with respect to slip is equal to 0, no need to derive this equation, directly put on these equations. S maximum is equal to plus or minus R2 dash by x2 dash. This is the slip at which maximum torque occurs is equal to plus or minus R2 dash by x2 dash. Then at this condition, what is the maximum torque? T maximum is equal to 3 by k omega s plus or minus 3 by 2 omega s into plus or minus 2 omega s into Es rated by x2 dash whole square. So this is the torque at which maximum torque occurs under the speed in the range of from 0 to below rated speed, that is the k value should be 0 to 1. From below rated speed, this is the T maximum, this is the torque, this is the S maximum. From these observations we can conclude that the T maximum from below rated speed, where VVF is ratio maintained constant, the T max is independent of the K. That means for any value of K, T max is constant. From this equation we can conclude that. Then the slip at which maximum torque also is independent of the K here. But the torque, the general torque developed by the motor is as a function of K here. So this is about from below rated speed, this is the torque equation. Similarly, in the same scenario, you can extend this topic to from K values greater than 1 from above rated speed also. So for above rated speed, there should be K is greater than 1. So for above K greater than 1, that is the above rated speed. For above rated speed, that is K greater than 1, then voltage V is equal to still V rated, but as a frequency is equal to K into F rated. Because of no, the K term is existing in the rated value, K into E rated not existing in this K greater than 1, because of the reason behind that is the above rated voltage is not possible. Therefore, if you want from above rated frequencies, above base speed is available. ఎప్పుడైతే above frequency apply చేస్తే NS is equal to 120 by F. Whenever the frequency increases, speed increases. For above base speeds, frequencies should be increases. Is possible with the help of the inverter techniques, PW inverter techniques, but not possibility of rated voltage. More than rated voltage is not possible. Therefore, V is equal to only E rated, not a function of K. Substitute these V and F in the same torque as similar to the previous case, like I2 dash or IR dash is equal to some voltage by square root of R2 dash by S whole square plus x2 dash whole square. Substitute V is replaced with E rated and F is replaced with F rated. Therefore, E rated by square root of r2 dash by s whole square plus x2 dash is replaced with k into x2 dash whole square. This is the final equation from the rotor current, while another k is greater than 1 from above rated frequency. The same substitute these rated current values in the generalized torque equation. T is equal to Pm by omega s. Then torque is equal to 3 by k into omega s into IR dash whole square, that is a E square into rated by E square into rated by, so E square into rated by this R2 dash by S whole square plus K square into X2 dash square into R2 dash by S. R2 dash by S here. Is it clear all? R2 dash by S. So this is the torque while considering the K is greater than 1. So similarly, at the torque at which maximum torque occurs and also slip at which maximum torque occurs, if you want that those equations, then differentiate the torque with respect to slip and make it is 0. Then we get S maximum, torque at which maximum torque occurs is plus or minus R2 dash by K into X2 dash. Because of K term is present, because of in case of K less than 1 there is no K term, but in the case greater than 1 is the K is present, and the T maximum is equal to 3 by plus or minus 3 by 2 omega s into E square rated by K square into X2 dash whole square. But whereas in case of K less than 1 there is no K term present in the T maximum, the T max is independent of K, but whereas in case of above rated value the T maximum is a function of K, because of while increasing the K rated value T maximum decreases, but whereas in case of K less than 1 T max is constant in respect of the K, that is in respect of the frequency, that is per unit frequency. So this is a generalized relationship between the where the K is less than 1 and K is greater than 1. Based on that we draw the torque speed characteristics of this PWM inverter in the next class. Thank you.